Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Microlab Hub. My name is Falake Learning, and today I'm going to be practically demonstrating how to make use of the autoclave and the autoclave oven for sterilization. So in my last video, I discussed about what is sterilization, type of sterilization, why do we do sterilization, and I talked about the autoclave and the autoclave oven for sterilization. I also mentioned that the autoclave works at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes for sterilization, and the autoclave oven works at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. So today I'm going to be practically demonstrating what to do when you want to sterilize your glasswares in the lab. So the first thing I do when I want to sterilize my glassware is that I have to prep my glassware. What do I mean by prepping my glasswares? I have to wash them clean, and then after I wash them clean, I dry them. After I dry them, then I like using 70% alcohol. I like using 70% alcohol to clean them with cotton wool. Then after I'm done with that, then you have to use your foil paper to wrap them. So this is a petri dish. You use your foil paper to wrap your petri dish. Use your foil paper to wrap your petri dish. As much as the glasswares that you are making use of, but just because it's just a demonstrative video, so you wrap your petri dish. Note, you must not wrap your glasswares halfway. Like, it should not be like some place open and some are, closed. So you have to really wrap them up with your paper, with your foil paper, rather, with your foil paper. So yes, here is the conical flask that I have wrapped, and here is a petri dish that I have wrapped. So now I'm going to move to the autoclave to show you how to sterilize your glasswares with your autoclave. So the first thing that you will do after it comes to the autoclave, this is the automated autoclave. This is an automated autoclave, as you can see. So the first thing you have to do once you come to your autoclave is that you have to open it up. You have to open it up, and then there's a basket inside it. I'm going to bring out the basket. So there's a cover. You have to bring out the cover, and then this is the basket. This is the basket inside it. So I have to put this inside. So this is the basket if I get to do. So I know by now, my followers, you should know that an autoclave works at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So it is very important for you to follow the manual of this autoclave, of an autoclave. Any autoclave you are operating on, you have to follow the manual. So one of the important things about this autoclave is that, and this is a normal standard for every autoclave, you have to maintain the water level of that autoclave before you start the autoclave. So this one, there's always a gauge level. Here, over here, this is the electrode. That's where the gauge level of the water is. That's where the water has to be before you start it. So I have loaded my glasswares, I press glasswares inside the basket, then I'll put it back in the autoclave. Put it back in the autoclave. I cover it, and then I have to close my autoclave back tightly. You have to be able to close the autoclave back very tightly. See? Very tight. Then you have to come to the power source and put it on. Now the power source here. So this is showing that the autoclave is on. So you need to set your autoclave. So you're setting your autoclave for 15 minutes at 121 degrees Celsius. So you have to set it here. 5, 6, then 0, 0, 0. So this is already setting at 15 minutes. Then you have to press your enter. So as you're looking at this autoclave, the autoclave temperature currently is at 40.9 degrees Celsius. That's already been used today. So that's why it's at 40.9 degrees Celsius. So see, it's already set at 15 minutes. So this temperature will build up to 121 degrees Celsius before the time starts. So after it builds up to 121 degrees Celsius, that's when the time of 15 minutes starts. So this is how to make it of the automatic or automated autoclave. Now follow me as I'll be showing you how to make use of the hot air oven for your sterilization. So this is the hot air oven here, and it works at 160 degrees Celsius. My subscribers and my followers, I know that by now you know that an hot air oven works at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. So you have to set your load your glasswares inside the hot air oven. So this is my conical flask and my petri dish that I use as a sample for sterilization. So I have to open it first. Open it first, not you setting your hot air oven before you load your sample. You first load your sample before you set the time and the temperature. So you load, this is the hot air oven, this is it. So you load your glasswares, then you close back, then you come closer and you put it on. So it's already on, but you need to set it. So how do you set it? Come in. It's currently on, is loading, so you allow it to boot. So once it's boot, you come to your menu here. So this is the temperature sign, and this side is the time. So once I come here, then I click on it. Then I have to increase it to 160 degrees Celsius. I have to increase it to 160 degrees Celsius. That's what I'm currently doing. The hot air oven works at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Hot air oven works at 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. So here is where I set it. So the temperature will build up to 160, and I need to set the timing too for 2 hours. So I come in, I move it to the time clock. Then you click. Then I have to set it. This is 1 hour, and then this is 2 hours. So now I set. Then you set. And then before you know it, this you see is already increasing. The temperature will be building up to 40 degrees Celsius. 40, now is 41. It will keep building up to 160 degrees Celsius. That is when it starts counting for 2 hours. After it has reached that 160 degrees Celsius, that's when your hot air oven will start counting its 2 hours. Same goes for your autoclave here. Same goes for autoclave. If you see the timing has not started, it's currently at 65.3 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It has not, the timing hasn't started. If the timing has started, it will start reading here. So now I will move you to where I will show you how to make use of the manual autoclave. Follow me as I show you the demonstration. So here is the manual autoclave. So this is the manual autoclave. So I'm going to be demonstrating how you have to sterilize your glassware with this manual autoclave. So the first thing is that you have to carry out the lid. This is a liquid systems lid. You have to carry out the lid. First thing I said the last time, you have to ensure that the water level is maintained. So this is the basket inside this one. This is the basket inside this autoclave. So the water level, see here. See this seat. And you can see that the water level is maintained. Then you put your basket in. And then you bring your glasswares that you want to sterilize. These are the glasswares that you want to sterilize. You bring them. Then you cover your autoclave. So see this pipe. That's where the steam comes in. So it has to pass through the side. This. Then you have this one is a little bit technical than the other one, because you have to make sure that these edges actually come together perfectly. They are aligned together. Then this one, you have to make sure that you close them. This and this have to be, this and this have to be closed at the same time, and then this and this has to be closed at the same time. So see, this and this now, it starts with this. So you screw it together tightly. You have to screw it together tightly. Then you come in. You have to screw it together tightly. You have to screw it together tightly. Then see, you have to screw it together too tightly. It has to be tight. It has to be tight. So this is the manual autoclave. So the difference between this one and that and the automated autoclave is that the automated autoclave you can digitally see it, then there's no stress of screwing this, all you just have to read it and tighten it. So that's just the main difference. And that one takes more glasswares. It has 2 baskets capacity, but this one also only have 1. And then after you have tightened this, you ensure that they're all tight. You see that this one was literally loose, so you ensure that they are all tight. Then you put it on to the power source. So this is the power source. Yeah. So you press the power source, and then that's it. So I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things today. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and I'll be willing to answer. If you have any addition to, drop it in the comment section. I hope to see you soon. Bye.